With the permission of the team, can we start?
Yes.
Yes, please start.
A warm welcome to everybody. Thank you for joining us today. I would like to welcome you all to the valedictorian ceremony of the 4th Surana and Surana 8A Markose Memorial Technology Law Moot Competition 2024, organized by School of Legal Studies, Cochin University of Science and Technology, in association with Surana and Surana International Attorneys, Chennai. It is truly an honor to have you all with us today. This competition aims at creating awareness on technology law. the scientific manner, and also to felicitate the evolution of technology in law through the jurisprudential analysis of existing law and consequential emergence of new laws, besides developing a cutting edge technology in research, writing, and advocacy. Without further ado, let's move on to the ceremony. Let me invite Dr. Preetha S, Director of School of Legal Studies, CUSAT, for the welcome address. Please, ma'am.
Expected President of the function, Professor Dr. K.C. Sunny, Dean, Faculty of Law, Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Justice V.G. Arun, Judge, High Court of Kerala, Mr. Surya Senthil, Partner, Surana and Surana International Attorneys, Mr. Preetam Surana, Head of Academic Initiatives, Surana and Surana International Attorneys, Professor V.R. Jaydevan Sir, Principal, Government Law College, Thrissur, dear participants, faculty members, and students. We had intense mooting for the last 3 days, and now we have joined in this platform for the valedictory session of the Dr.AT Markose Memorial Technology Law Moot Court competition. And it is my pleasure to welcome you all to the valedictory session. I'm really honored to welcome Professor Dr. K.C. Sunny, Dean, Faculty of Law, CUSAT. We are thankful to you, sir, for the support you have extended for all the academic initiatives of our department. It's my privilege to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice V.G. Arun, Judge, High Court of Kerala. We are grateful to you, sir, for accepting our invitation to judge the final rounds of the competition and also to offer felicitations in the valedictory session. I welcome Mr. Surya Senthil, Partner, Dispute Resolution, Surana and Surana International Attorneys. Thank you, sir, for judging the final rounds and also for agreeing to offer felicitations. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome Mr. Preetam Surana, Head of Academic Initiatives, Surana and Surana International Attorneys, Chennai. Thank you, sir. This is the 4th year of the collaboration with Surana and Surana International Attorneys, and we look forward to more academic collaborations in future. A hearty welcome to all the participants who have shown interest in the competition. I also take this opportunity to congratulate you for the enthusiasm you have shown in the competition. A hearty welcome to all the faculty members, the non-teaching staff, the alumni members, and students. Welcome. Welcome all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I would like to welcome to our most esteemed Professor Dr. K.C. Sunny, Dean Faculty of Law of Cochin University of Science and Technology, for the presidential address.
Sir, you are on mute.
Is it audible now?
Yes, yes.
Chief guest of the occasion, Honorable Mr. Justice V.G. Arun, Judge, High Court of Kerala, Surya Senthil, Dr. Preetha, Dr. V.R. Jayadevan, other faculty members, participants, and dear friends. I am extremely happy to be the part of this event for more than one reason. The first reason is the fact that this Moot Court competition is in the name of the eminent jurist Dr.AT Markose, who served as the Dean, Professor and Head of the Department of Kochi University of Science and Technology for a long time. Actually, the branch of administrative law is developed by Dr.AT Markose and great D. Smith of UK. When we are speaking about administrative law, throughout the world, the professors may ask the students to refer D. Smith, Judicial Review of Administrative Action. Even today, for getting authoritative version regarding certain facts like emergence of writ jurisdiction and its development, we have to refer to dismiss judicial review of administrative action. This book was published in the year 1959, but Dr.AT Markose published his book Judicial Review of Administrative Action, Administrative Litigation, 2 years before the publication of the book by Dismiss. And Dr. Markose was very close friend of D. Smith, and D. Smith several occasions visited Kerala and delivered lectures in CUSAT, at that time Cochin University. The second reason is the presence of Honorable Justice V.G. Arun. When I was doing research with the UGC Fellowship, Honorable Justice Arun was the student of that institution, and he served as the chairman of that institution also, chairman of the Students' Council also. He was a very good orator at that time itself. Later he joined in Kerala High Court and established very good practice, and later elevated to the judge of the High Court of Kerala. Being a judge, he proved his scholarship, commitment to the cause of justice, and his efficiency in disposing the case. So that is the second reason. Coming to moot court competition, the basic aim of moot court competition is to provide an opportunity to the students to develop their professional skills. In earlier days, there were only 3 or 5 moot court competitions throughout India. Now, there are more than 200 moot court competitions in India. Anyway, now students have the ample opportunity to develop their professional skills, and this competition is an attempt in this regard also. I congratulate the organizers for effectively organizing this moot court competition, and I would like to mention the contribution of Surana and Surana for developing this activity of moot court competitions and providing opportunity to the students who are participating in moot court competitions for placement also. All of you are eagerly waiting to hear Honorable Justice V.G. Arun. I am not taking much of your time. I wish all the best to the participants. Whether you win or lose, that is not at all relevant. The relevant factor is that you participated in this event. I wish all the best to all participants of this competition. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for those kind words. Now I would like to invite Honorable Mr. Justice V.G. Arun, Judge of High Court of Kerala, for the felicitation. It is truly a privilege to have sir with us. We are very grateful that you could spare some time from your busy schedule to be amongst us. Please, sir.
Thank you. Dr. K.C. Sunny, the president of today's function, my co-judges, Advocate Surya Senthil and Professor V.R. Jayadevan, the other dignitaries who are present online, my dear student friends, Professor Preetha, who was, as I understand, the brain behind the whole session. Thank you all for providing me this opportunity to be part of this today's event. This truly was an eye-opener, because those days when I was doing my law, as Dr. Sunny correctly said, Moot was just a part of our internal assessment. So we had to just make do with the Moot and get over with it as fast as possible so that we score some marks for the final year. Those times the Moot competitions had just started. We had a Moot competition in Pondicherry at that point of time, from where you could go to New York or Washington for the next level. That, in my understanding, was the only Moot which was available at that point of time. I'm talking about a time when about 38 years back. I'm really astounded by the level of competition today. So congratulations to the participants of today. You've done a wonderful job. irrespective of who wins. And that level of participation, the legal acumen you have expressed today, your oratorial skills will definitely do you good as lawyers or as legal professionals in future. I'm on my part, I've been seeing this astonishing change in the young lawyers over the past few years, mainly due to the role played by moot competitions. And I should appreciate the efforts taken by Surana and Surana in this regard. Uh, Efforts like this will definitely go a long way to help the legal profession. So keep up your good work in future also. And I thank the organizers of this function. And before I leave, I should say, of course, that it was a very interesting topic. And as sentinels, you're the last guards as far as our democracy is concerned, as far as the constitution, the morality, the constitutional morality is concerned. So always be prepared to take up the cases of the poorest of the poor, whether you earn money from that or not. But that probably is the best thing that legal education can give you. And never give up on a man who comes to you for help, for legal help as a professional. Thank you. Thank you all very much.
Thank you, sir. It is with deep sense of appreciation I would like to invite Mr. Surya Senthil, partner in dispute resolution, to the felicitation ceremony. We are incredibly grateful for your presence, sir. Please, sir.
Thank you, Professor Preetha, and my warm evening regards to Dr. Sunny and Justice VG Arun and Justice and Professor Jayadevan and all other students who have participated. It was really a eye opener for me. Also, this is, I think, the third year I am judging here. Not only this is a good forum for the students to learn, I think even the problems that are set by the team is really good. Like it gives an equal contribution to both the sides. Some points here and there are given to both the sides, so that way the problem setter is also really good. And also I would like to thank the organizers, because every time they bring in really highly talented juries. Like I was fortunate to judge this with Justice Arun now. Earlier it was Justice Muhammad Mushtaq. I think he was having a specific interest in the IT area also. I remember that time when we had discussions. We had Justice Jaishankar Nambiar also equally contributing in that time. And in the last year, we had Justice Kausar also was asking so many questions on IT related act. And Justice Viju Abraham was also there. And the students are also, every year we are seeing that as the complexity of the problem increases, their preparation also goes. However, only thing what I would like to say is that like there is a saying in Tamil, like the ruler used to say that when you try to plow, don't try only plow as much area as possible. Also try to go in deep. That is equally good in a court of law also. When you want to impress a judge, you have to be thorough in what you say. So also try to focus more on certain legal aspects, legal concepts which you learn, because you may cite hundreds of cases at every moot court, but at the end of the day, only one or two concepts which will get into your mind, which will come until last. Not all the number of cases which you cite. Even you learn one concept, that will be there until end of your career. So I advise you also to concentrate more on what you say. And with these few words, I thank the university for giving me an opportunity to share the bench. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for those kind words. As we all know, we have gathered here anticipating the results. Before we move on, I would like to thank and congratulate each and every participant for that exemplary performance. Your participation has made this event a huge success. So, without further ado, I would like to invite Mr. Preetam Surana, partner in dispute resolution and head of academic initiatives, for the announcement of results. Please, sir.
Preetam, you are on mute.
Sir, I'm afraid you're on mute.
My cordial compliments to Honorable Mr. Justice V.G. Arun, my colleague and partner dispute resolution at Surana and Surana International Attorneys, Mr. Surya Senthil, Professor Dr. K.C. Sunny, Dean Faculty of Law, CUSAT, Dr. Preetha S, Director, School of Legal Studies, Dr. Naveen, and in absentia, Professor Dr. Jayadevan, Principal, GLC, Thrissur, who was kind enough to join us for judging the final rounds. All the other Moot Court Committee members at CUSAT, students, volunteers, and dear participants, the results have been compiled and I will start announcing them. The first is the memorials. The fourth best memorial goes to Team Code 9 Lloyd Law College, consisting of Prashant Singh, Divjot Kaur, and Anjay Pratap Singh of Lloyd Law College. If the team is here, please switch on your camera so that please and all the stakeholders are able to see you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. The third best memorial goes to TL7 Arundhati, Aratrika and Dhanvi from the Bharati Vidyapeeth New Law College, Pune. Congratulations, team, for getting the third best memorial. Coming now to the team prize of placements. The team placed fourth is Team Code TL10, the Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law, Patiala, consisting of Madhu Murari, Swastika, and Ashi Sharma. Congratulations. The team placed third goes to Team Code TL11 from the Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad, consisting of Hashmita, Navya George, and Jovita. Congratulations. Now, coming to the individual category awards of the best student advocates, which are based on the preliminary rounds. The fourth best memorial goes to Ashmita from Team Code TL11, Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad. The third best student advocate goes to Team of Team Code TL18 from the Christ University, Bangalore. Congratulations, Keerti. He was also a finalist
Thank you.
Second best student advocate is shared by two of them. One is from team code TL18, again Christ, that is Pranav Bhargav from Christ, and team code 30 in the form of Roshan. Roshan, are you there?
No, he's not here, but I'm her team researcher.
Okay. Please convey our wishes and congratulations to him. The best student advocate goes to Anirudh of the National Law University, Jodhpur, with team code TL5. Congratulations, Anirudh.
Thank you, sir.
Moving on, coming back to the memorials, we have the second best and best memorial left. My apologies, I would like to also announce the second best student advocate, Pranav, gets a cash prize of 2,500, and the best student advocate, Anirudh, gets a cash prize of rupees 5,000. As regards the second best memorial, this goes to code 11, the Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad, consisting of Hashmita, Navya, and Jovita, with a cash prize of rupees 2,500. Congratulations, team. The best memorial with a cash prize of rupees 5,000 goes to Kirti Kasturi, Pranav Bhargav, and Nandini from Christ TL18.
Thank you, sir.
Now the big prize, that is the winning team. The winning team with a cash prize of rupees 20,000 goes to Anirudh, Anshita, and Dhruv from the National Law University, Jodhpur, with team code TL5. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Would you want to share something with all of us?
Sir, we're greatly obliged that you gave us this opportunity to present our memos and our arguments. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. We'd just like to thank you for the opportunity for organizing such a competition and giving us a platform.
I think there is some technical difficulty there. We have lost touch with them. Anyways, the runner-up team goes to Christ TL18, consisting of Kirti Kasturi, Pranav Bhargav, and Nandini Kamal. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You want to share something?
Thank you for this opportunity, sir.
Best speaker of the finals goes to Anshita from team code TL5. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
And now the last one. We call it the Spirit of Surana Award. This is given to a team which symbolizes competing in the competition in a spirit of harmony, goodwill, and friendship. We also see that this team particularly has good argumentative skills and have presented a decent memorials as well. And overall, this has been This is being awarded to Muskan Anand, Nikita Jaiswal, and Himanshu Chaudhary from the Campus Law Center, University of Delhi, with team code TL16, that is. So congratulations for epitomizing what the spirit of Surana stands for. Our journey of holding moot court competition now is 28 years old. We have till date conducted more than 400 moot court competitions with about 12 to 14 competitions every year. And this has now become the world's largest moot court project by any university or law firm in the world. This is a great privilege and pleasure to share this with you. Thank you. Thank you all for the dignitaries. This would not have been possible without your presence, your time for judging, as well as the judges who have judged the semifinals, the quarterfinals, and the preliminary rounds. Apart from that, of course, Dr. Preetha, Dr. Asif, the faculty coordinator, and a whole lot of student coordinators, the conveners headed by Naveen and Satya, and of course, back in my office, Rachel, who has been a pillar of support in organizing these competitions in my office. I thank her and all the participants and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations to the winners and participants. Now, we are going to showcase the list of winners. Moving on, we'll be showing that later. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Naveen S, Assistant Professor at School of Legal Studies, CUSAT, for the vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Thank you, Janet. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And as the curtains come down on the 4th Surana and Surana and CUSAT School of Legal Studies, Dr.AT Markose Memorial Technology Law National Moot Court Competition 2024, I stand here today proud and grateful to express my heartfelt thanks to all those who have made this event a big success. So every individual who put in their bit to make this event a huge success deserves accolades. It was by no means a small task. Faced with challenges of organizing such a big event, that too in the online platform, requiring meticulous planning and careful execution. And the team worked out wonders. Congratulations to the entire team for their efforts. Now I would like to start by thanking the Honorable Mr. Justice V.G. Arun, Judge, High Court of Kerala, who readily agreed to judge the finals of the competition and to be a part of the valedictory session. When a person of his stature agrees to judge the finals, it's quite natural that the quality bars rise. And the finals evidenced this. On behalf of the Moot Court Committee, School of Legal Studies, CUSAT, and on my personal behalf, it is my privilege to extend my gratitude to the Honorable Mr. Justice V.G. Arun to have agreed to spend his valuable time amongst us, judging the finals and in inspiring us all with such legal acumen. Thank you, sir. I would like to extend my gratitude to Mr. Surya Senthil, the partner, Dispute Resolution, Surana and Surana International Attorneys, for his valuable additions during the finals. I'm sure that the moot court standards have been set very high with such adjudicators. Every law aspiring lawyers stand to benefit from such legal knowledge. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to extend my gratitude to Dr. V.R. Jayadevan, Professor and Principal, Government Law College, Thrissur, for being part of this initiative and judging the finals. Your valuable inputs are deeply appreciated. Thank you so much, sir. Along with this, I would also like to thank all the judges for wholeheartedly accepting our invitation to judge the prelims, quarter, and semi-final rounds of this moot court competition. On behalf of the organizing committee of the event, I would like to extend our gratitude to Professor K.C. Sunny, Dean, Faculty of Law, CUSAT, for being part of this event and for his wonderful presidential address. Mr. Preetam Surana, Partner, Dispute Resolution and Head, Academic Initiatives at Surana and Surana, International Attorneys, has been a great source of inspiration and support for organizing this committee, for the organizing committee. His insights and supports have been guiding the organizing team in successful completion of this event. I extend our gratitude and appreciation to Mr. Preetam Surana for his support and guidance. And we expect him from in the future endeavors also. Even if it is a formality, I would like to extend my gratitude to Dr. Preetha S, Director, School of Legal Studies, for who have been our guiding the entire team throughout the planning, preparatory and executory stages of this competition. Even with loads of administrative and academic responsibilities keeping her occupied, she has been running around, coordinating and organizing this event in such grandeur. Thank you so much, ma'am. I feel it's my duty to extend my gratitude to the organizing team of this grand event, the Moot Court Committee of SLS CUSAT, Dr. Asif E, my colleague and faculty coordinator of the Moot Court Committee SLS, and the student volunteers team, ably led by MCC student coordinators, Naveen and Satya, have made this event an event to remember and be proud of. Your contributions have not gone unnoticed, and I'm grateful for all that you have done. Wonderful work, team. Greatly appreciated. Finally, I would like to thank each and every one of you, the university administration, my faculty colleagues at School of Legal Studies CUSAT, the Surana and Surana team, all student participants for your support and participation in making the event a grand success. In conclusion, I would like to say that this event would not have been possible without the support and hard work of each and every one of you. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Now we will be screen presenting the winners list. Thank you, Jason. This brings an end to the valedictorian ceremony. I would like to thank you everybody for joining us today, and I would like to congratulate the winners and the participants. Thank you everybody for joining with great enthusiasm. We hope to meet you all for the next edition. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, judges. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.